Ancient Mesopotamia, often called the Cradle of Civilization, was one of the earliest centers of human development. Located in the fertile region between the Tigris and Euphrates Rivers, in what is now modern-day Iraq and parts of Syria, Turkey, and Iran, it witnessed the rise of the first cities, organized governments, written language, and monumental architecture. This land's name comes from the Greek words mesos, middle, and potamos, river, meaning land between rivers. Mesopotamia's story spans thousands of years, from prehistoric settlements to powerful empires that shaped the ancient world. Mesopotamia was part of the Fertile Crescent, a crescent-shaped region of rich soil and abundant water sources. The unpredictable flooding of the Tigris and Euphrates required the construction of irrigation systems, which led to organized labor, cooperation, and the growth of city-states. The climate was arid, but irrigation canals transformed the plains into productive farmland. This ability to produce surplus food allowed populations to grow and civilizations to flourish. The earliest human settlements in Mesopotamia began in the Ubad period, circa 6000 to 4300 BCE. Villages developed near riverbanks, with people cultivating barley, wheat, and dates, and domesticating animals like sheep and goats. Over time, these villages expanded into towns with temples, communal granaries, and simple trade systems. By the Uruk period, circa 4300 to 3100 BCE, Mesopotamia saw the emergence of the first true cities, such as Uruk, which may have had a population of over 50,000 people. Uruk became a center of innovation, with advances in architecture, including ziggurats, massive stepped temple platforms dedicated to the gods. One of Mesopotamia's greatest contributions to humanity was the invention of writing. Around 3200 BCE, scribes in Uruk developed cuneiform, a system of wedge-shaped marks pressed into clay tablets. Initially used for record-keeping, such as tracking grain storage or trade transactions, it evolved to record laws, myths, poems, and historical events. The spread of writing transformed administration, allowing rulers to manage taxes, trade, and legal disputes across their territories. Ancient Mesopotamia's achievements in governance, law, architecture, literature, and science have left a lasting legacy on world history. Its systems of writing, codified laws, monumental architecture, and agricultural innovations shaped the development of later civilizations in the Middle East, Mediterranean, and beyond. Even though its empires rose and fell, the cultural and intellectual contributions of Mesopotamia continue to inspire scholars, archaeologists, and historians. From the clay tablets of Sumer to the palaces of Assyria, Mesopotamia's story is one of human ingenuity, resilience, and the eternal quest for order in a challenging world.